Archery in Meghalaya holds deep cultural significance rooted in the Khadc and Hnyf communities. It is a traditional sport involving arrow shooting, known for its communal and festive nature, often accompanied by music and dance. This dynamic blend of sport and tradition mirrors Meghalaya's rich cultural diversity. Recently, the Hnyf National Youth Front, Hnyf, conducted checks on trading licenses for archery organizers in areas under the Khadc's jurisdiction. This license, issued by the Khadc, is vital for businesses, granting official approval for trading while ensuring compliance with local regulations. It signifies the Council's endorsement for legitimate commerce in the region. Non-compliance led to the Hnyf's decision to halt activities of archery organizers without a valid trading license, following discussions with the Hnyf Indigenous Archery Organizers Institute during a visit to Lingkot village in East Khasi Hills district.
Napo tax te hangni kila panchai lut yingi ba kila pan i lut yingi ba nakaliang ka Hnyf kibyang lut kikot kisla bat ka government hi kala itu ya kan ni ka Hnyf ka ba siat bat penya ya kan ni ka team ha kan ni ka Lingkot te ngina kaliang kaseng nginam song thai henrei ngin hiar ru saka madan ka jaka siat jong khasi khnang ba nginlap bau khasi ru udon sisa ni kumnu ya katakan documents ni kikot kisla jong ki bambiang ladang ngilap bau khasi umdon ni nakaliang kaseng ngin khang bai ha ka tukas ni bangilai banjurep ya ka tukajaka
hajing sisa habayadai pat kane ka jingki jongi kala dai bet nadu arhajar kadri kadai khat ar tarik bunhai balai arhajar kadri bangila sedang ban ki ya kane tang ba hadu bangila ban pen urlong ya kane ka kampat nai lalong no kadai bet nadu arhajar arpo bangi sayok ban siat ni sayok ban penlong ya kane habayadai pat kata namar ba ka ka jing khenra jong pi atrai lang pat ka sebut la le se kum ba ngai ngapet hagi social media ba pi pen i hang tu ba pi le kum no la long no ban generate ya ka revenue jong kaste te la long nakaliang jong ni ha ba pi le la long no ban khenra ya kita kidukan ki balong ilegal ki ba yaj be an ki ba te long nakaliang jong ni le ni snu tenat ya kata ma long la da pi le kum no ban ra ya ka revenue jong government tengi ni semua tenat abaya dai berkata piwan hang ne hanyi ngingi pediang semua bah namar balai lalong nak tak molong piwan hang ne pikwa ban khenra pikwa ban kano ka bayaj ilegal kano ka bayaj kat kumka ka badon laisa